basic topics on AP, arithmetic progression. What is that? So in this chapter you will get a basic terms like first term, common difference. Is that clear? And find the any means required terms like sixth terms, fifth terms, or fourth terms. Is that clear? And to find the sum of the whole terms. So before going to explain you the any typical sums, let me to say you certain basic formula. Like suppose you got a plus d, a plus 2d is a series, right? Because constantly you are adding a with each and every next term. A is the first, you added d, and the other is a plus 2d. So to get any terms of the series, like to find fifth term or sixth term or seventh term, any terms in the series, that comes as a plus n minus 1 into d. Is that clear? Where a stands for the first term of the series, n stands for the number of terms which we will find out, like fifth term or fourth term or third term, any terms, right? And d is the common difference. Is that clear? So if you get the data like first term and the n and the number of terms and the common difference, and you guys easily get the answer very comfortably. Is that clear? Yes. So the next formula to find the sum of the series, because Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And the other formula is that the same series n by 2, the first term plus the last term. A stands for the first term and L stands for the last term. All the last term is Tn, which is comes a plus n minus 1 to d. So basically this formula is derived to be shortcut like n by 2 a plus L, and this will be applied when you know the first term, last term and the number of terms without the help of common difference. If you don't know the common difference, then only you can find out the sum using this formula. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the basic two formulas which you apply in this chapter. Suppose example is that is given to you T6 is given to you how much? Suppose 5 or 75 you say. Okay, and the T8 is given to you. So now as you know T6 is 75 and T8 is 81. So how to find out the value of A and D? The formula is what? A plus 6 minus 1 into D equal to 75. Is that clear?
Yes.
And A plus the other one?
8 minus 1.
8 minus 1 into D equal to 81. So linearly you will solve it. You will get equation like what? A plus 5D equal to 75 and A plus 7D equal to 81. You know how to solve it? The two linear equations in two variables.
Yes.
Is that clear? Now the application of first step is coming here.
Yes.
So by using the linear equation of what methods you know? Elimination method, substitute, all methods are there. Any method you feel comfortable, you apply and get the answer of A and D. And once you get A and D and you answer it, you found the answer. That means you have to find the value of A and D is the answer. So if you know A and D, if you know the first value and common difference, you can build up the series in this manner. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.